How you doing? Good morning, Dr. Ulysses Jackson. Today we're going to get into the elements real quick of happiness. It's three important factors and elements when we talk about happiness, right? We're going to go right into it. For somebody to be happy today, you got to go into pleasure. Pleasure is the science of dealing with something you want to do. Then you have to get into engagement. What is it that you want to engage or what are you interested in doing? And the next one is meaning. What is the meaning of something? So happiness really should be achieved with three major elements, which is, I'm going to read it right here. Pleasure in doing something you want to do, engagement, feeling interested in something you want to do, and then the meaning of it. You know what I'm saying? So the reason I brought up this thing about happiness today was because sometimes, man, we just don't want to just do things that make us happy, or we find ourselves just unhappy on a regular basis. So we have to say, you know what is it that I'm doing today that's going to make myself happy and have me fully engaged? With all the bereavement issues we're dealing with all of the, losses and stuff, we have to find in our mind, we have to find pleasure in doing something. If not, we start to spiral down. As I said, I'm a mental health counselor in New York State. So I specialize in work with people with anxiety, depression, relationships. So the whole thing is that we have to find the triggers that trigger us to be in these moods. And then once we find these triggers, we then come back with some coping skills to deal with that. This is Dr. Ulysses Jackson giving y'all a little tidbit on how to deal with happiness, or how to find your happiness, man. We're going to try to get into that, man, and start to have a more fulfilling and joyful day. Dr. Ulysses Jackson.